So I set the timer, enable the high voltage, and turn it on.
Wow, okay.
That voice belongs to Gigabecquerel, the rep server's pet bear. I'm here at FabLab Munich, where I will eventually end up spending 2 evenings.
I find it interesting how even it is. I was expecting there to be a little bit of maybe, it turns on and off and stuff like that.
Yeah, but this way just gives a very constant deposition rate, which is good for predicting a layer height.
I see. And how thick of a layer are we aiming at today?
Absolutely no idea.
As long as it's conductive.
Yeah, exactly. We're probably overdoing it by a lot because usually the samples don't look golden, but ours do. So do that way because it looks pretty. No, it looks really coppery.
Yep.
Today we are sputtering the die inside a cracked open 358 op amp so we can take a look at it under a scanning electron microscope or SEM.
And now we wait for it to get down to the operating pressure.
Yeah.
Right.
Got this scale here, which goes from 0 to 200 vacuum. Need to lower the voltage by a lot, so you can actually see something. There you go. Turn it on. Now it has to do a lot of auto adjusting,
Yeah.
so you can always guarantee the same beam brightness. And we're looking at something. It's a crack. Ah, right, okay. So that's the copper, not copper, the sticky pad. That's all fragmented part. And that's the die.
Yep, looks like it.
Right. So, looks like there's a bonding wire and some structures.
I see something. Yes.
So let me raise the voltage for better contrast. Do gun alignment. Yeah.
That's more like it. You know, this is a lateral P, what do you call it? A PNP transistor, I'm pretty sure.
Ah,
Because it's circular. Lateral transistors, lateral PNP transistors at least are circular. So the center connection is probably the base, and you have a bunch of, I guess it's, what was it? No, I was wrong. The center connector is the emitter, and you have a bunch of collectors coming out of it. That makes more sense. So this is probably a current mirror. I don't see the, how do you move around again?
you can either use the joystick.
Ah.
Wait, that's a bit fast. That's a bit slow. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And here you're on the magnification setting, so you can zoom in and out with the
Right.
wheel.
So, yeah, this is a lateral PNP transistor. I'm quite sure. So you have a bunch of collectors. You have the emitter that's probably connected to a supply rail. Looks like it. Do you think this was a bond pad? No.
No. Well, maybe. I mean, this looks like the protection structure you showed me in the EEPROM. Like,
Yes.
if you compare
exactly. So these diodes are usually made out of transistor structures. So this is the collector, or is it the emitter? I keep forgetting.
I have no idea. I mean, it depends if it's a PNP or NPN.
Yeah.
Diode is
This
between the base and the
this
emitter.
thing looks like an NPN transistor. So okay, this is the base, this is the collector, and this is the. I got it wrong. I used to know this stuff, but coming here I forgot everything. So, very nice. anyway.
But then again, this bonding pad is way bigger than that.
Yeah,
that
so this is
probably
a bonding
just
pad and this is
resistor.
a transistor. Yep. Judging by the fact that it connects the emitter to something over here. So lateral NPN transistors are just a well of so you have the P substrate, you have an N well, you have the P base region, and you have the emitter. So base, emitter, collector. So I think this is the base, this is the emitter, and this is the collector. But I've never seen a circular collector. So this could be the emitter and this could, I mean, yeah, it's the other way around, something like that.
Okay.
You know, in dye pictures, you usually see different layers of silicon in different colors, but everything is black and white here. So I have
Yeah, it's not exactly
no
color
idea.
vision. Ah, there's text.
Yeah, there is always text.
IAC 538A dot 2 dot. It's probably like the revision number.
Yeah. A bond pad, and this one leads off to. You know, this is much clearer. I think this is a diode connected NPN.
So by diode connected, you just mean an NPN transistor used as a diode.
Yes.
Okay.
I could totally be wrong. We'd better put this through Tarkovsky before we make statements. Look, here's another one of the same type.
This one's broken.
Yeah,
so
it's broken.
Maybe I can wait. Hold on. I'm trying to tilt it so you can look on the side, which, I don't know, may show different features.
Maybe.
Find the sorter. We're at, okay, yeah, we're basically no tilt angle. Hold on. I can do this properly. Yeah.
Interesting. So I can move it around in the usual way. So obviously the topmost layer is the metal layer. The one that the bond pad connects to. So this thing and the topmost layer over here are metal. So maybe diode connected transistor. But I can definitely tell you this is a PNP current mirror of some kind. You have a bunch of collectors, you have the emitters tied together, and the base is connected to one of these collectors, which is the current setting leg.
Ah, okay.
And you have two of these collectors that feed into these structures.
Yeah.
Okay, so this might be the emitter, this might be the base, and you have a collector surrounding the whole thing. If you can, there's a part of a ring here, and I have no idea where that is connected to. Yeah, you get the idea. We can't see much else.
It's impressive how thick the silicon is compared to.
I was thinking the same.
The active stuff. I mean, look at this, it's giant. It's an ocean of silicon with tiny islands of stuff.
Yeah.
A really slow scan.
Yeah, and maybe one from this angle. That would be very nice.
Yep, sure. So I need to grab my computer.
Yeah.
And
You need a seat?
yeah, but
Can
got
get one.
plenty.
Maybe the scan will give us a little more contrast.
So first we can. And there about.
Let's hope we don't get a large vehicle passing by. That would be sad.
It's way overexposed. Of course it is. Yeah, I need to do the setting in a slower scan, faster.
Yeah.
While the scan is running, I want to apologize to my viewers for making so many wild claims. I just recently gotten into dye reverse engineering at that point and was eager to find something. Now that I think about it, it's funny how a FabLab happens to have such a high-tech piece of equipment, but that's the thing about Germany, I guess.
Come on.
The motion
So-
of the ocean.
So we've cleaned this up using acetone. So we sputter on this surface.
Yeah.
Okay. This one, the thicker one.
Okay.
Let's see
So
if I
just a
can.
strip down the middle, or
Yeah,
what
just
were
a
you
strip
thinking about?
down.
Okay.
I'm going to see if I can get the dumbbell shape. So we have two contacts on the end and a thin channel in between. So, 4.5 digits is probably good enough to measure the resistance. We sputter gold onto this, we measure the resistance.
Ah, yeah, okay.
And maybe if we touch it, if the resistance changes and temperature coefficient stuff. This scalpel is perfect.
Temperature coefficient stuff.
Stick it on.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
What?
I got fucking DM'd by some fucking weeb on Sarah's Discord.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Yeah, like,
That
I don't know
Discord.
why. Like, I think it's mostly like spam bots and shit. Like,
That Discord.
yes, like
With
where
all the disgust I can put in my voice.
he's recording, by the way.
I know.
I'll cut it out, don't worry.
I'll be famous on YouTube.
Okay, wait. We need to cut the pattern onto it, so.
Yeah, feel free to, because I'm actually not sure what kind of pattern you want to
Take over
cut.
the camera, please. Thank you.
Haha.
This is a sharp end.
Ow.
I am not sure if I'll get what I want.
Was ist wieder das Glas rausgemacht, du?
Keine Ahnung.
Du hast wahrscheinlich immer nur so nach innen einmal gepresst.
Keine Ahnung.
Was ich habe, das könnt ihr euch mal anschauen. Ich habe daheim ein paar alte Filmkameras, oder kleine Handykameras. Da kann man den Deckel abmachen und dann ist der CCD getroffen.
Und wir hier auch, kartonweise.
Wo auch schön große?
Weiß ich nicht.
Ich hätte einen schönen großen CCD-Deckel reinfinden.
Ich glaube, mein Bier habe ich beim Waschbecken vergessen. Willst du kurz nachschauen, bitte?
Welches Waschbecken?
There were tweezers here.
Im Laserraum.
Disposable Chinese tweezers.
I mean, ideally, they're not disposable.
Mr. Rebs calls them disposable.
Yeah, to be fair, he probably gets them in hundreds from China.
Ja, vielleicht hattest du einfach schon ein bisschen zu viel.
Nein, ich hatte die Handschuhe an und habe dann vergessen.
Prepare for your examination.
Oh my. Looks very tedious.
Let the Indian do the manual labor.
I think after that we should do another cleaning with acetone.
Yeah.
To get the glue.
Yeah, exactly.
Although the glue is often peel off pretty cleanly.
Yeah, I mean, glue on Captain is really weird in general because it sticks to the polyamide,
Amide.
Yes, it sticks to the captain, which normally nothing sticks to.
Exactly. That's like glue for PTFE.
I don't know, maybe it's classified plasma clean before it sticks to you or something.
It's not about the cleaning, but about the surface activation. Sorry.
No idea what
I
he's
have
on
to-
about.
Move to bed. No, it's gonna be okay. So maybe it will fit as is. It's still open. I need to vent the chamber to open it because we always keep it under partial vacuum just
So-
to keep people out.
People
That's
out?
Not gonna fit.
Nope.
Let me get a wrench to open this.
I thought you were going to say wrench to break the glass.
You can also maybe on some foil.
She said. Yeah.
No, this is not going to sputter.
Smash. Coat coat this. Oh, that would actually be cool. I don't want to.
Yeah, now just put another piece of Kapton
Yeah,
on it
fair.
and
It's nice that
But
it's
also
got the
pretty
beer
tight
in the
and you
background.
don't scratch the.
But it doesn't really matter if you scratch it, does it?
nah. And now we just let it go.
Yeah, now we pump it down. Ich hab's ja schon.
And are we ready to turn the plasma on?
I'll spot it for 5 minutes, but at lower power to get a decent film, but without heating the illuminator
Yeah.
much.
There we go.
Was ist hier denn schon mal da drauf? Das ist Plastik. Also der
I think this should be more than good enough. I mean, it's gold after all. So we basically made a mirror on the other side.
Yep. First surface and second surface mirror.
Hold this while I do the very satisfying peeling.
Look
Oops.
that up.
Yeah. If the tape falls apart halfway, I'm going to be very sad.
I'm going to cry. Yeah. Oh no.
One sec. This one. Stupid tape.
It's really cheap. Chinese Captain, I don't know. It might also have suffered a bit on the plasma, but to be honest, I doubt that.
No, it looks fine. I don't see any difference. It's basically the same crappy
It just was shit to begin with.
tape.
Oh well.
The gold plating looks really nice and even though.
And on the PMMA, I think it has a good chance of sticking well.
We can always try after we measure the resistance.
Yeah, and we can try on the strips on the side.
Okay. Okay, doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter, but it looks like shit. And you'll always know that it's there.
Let's not think about it. And yeah, I mean it stuck pretty well.
Yeah. Not bad.
Not bad. So now we stick a bunch of probes on it. We auto zero the probe first. I guess we'll do it here. Closer, closer, closer. It's like 10 milliohms. What? Okay, good.
Yeah.
This.
That's a lot more than I expected, to be honest.
Yeah.
Oh, it might be the tiny surface area of your contacts.
Put it on this way.
Huh. Oh.
Do you think we could solder onto this? No, the plastic is going to melt anyway.
If
Yeah.
you try like really low temperature soldering, take that.
You think we should?
We can always try on the strips on the side.
Yeah. A genuine
that's
JVC.
pretty, here's the leaded stuff, the good stuff.
Whichever one has the lower temperature on it, I think it's going to be the lead-free one. No, wait, the leaded one.
Yeah, all of these are leaded.
Okay.
So this one's, yeah, they all SM60 P40. It's currently set at 290, I think, 285.
Who
280,
sets
okay.
their ion to 280? That's like such a
I
weird
just did that.
temperature. Why?
Because you want really low temperature. I mean, yeah, first try.
Can you solder directly onto gold?
Yep.
Yeah, Oshpak does it on their PCBs. Yep. I just took it off.
Well, I mean, it's a really good way to take it off again.
You see this?
I don't think that's actually soldered. I think it's just laying on there.
Wie lötet ihr da jetzt?
Oh no, no, it looks good.
Okay, we have a lot of area to. Maybe you just melt it and let it drip down.
Punktschweißen. Spotweld.
I ruined it.
Nah.
Sort of? No, I ruined it. Look closely.
Wouldn't it be enough if you just take the two probes and contact it?
You ruined it.
Yeah, I ruined it.
Ja, aber durch die winzige Oberfläche hast du, wir haben irgendwie 10 über den kompletten Streifen.
Ja, und die
Oh well.
Oh, oh.
We at least tried.